In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva with Mailchimp in 2025. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing and create visually appealing email designs, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the process of integrating Canva, a versatile graphic design tool, with Mailchimp, a popular email marketing platform. Let's dive right in and see how you can effortlessly blend creativity with functionality. First things first, let's start by designing your email content in Canva. Open your browser and head over to canva.com. If you aren't already logged in, sign into your Canva account. Once you're logged in, the fun begins. You'll want to create a new design, and Canva offers a variety of templates to choose from. Whether it's an email header, a social media post, or an entire newsletter, pick a template that catches your eye. From here, you can really let your creativity shine. Customize your design by adding images, text, and branding elements to fit your style and message. This is your opportunity to make those marketing emails pop with flair. When you're satisfied with your design, it's time to connect it with Mailchimp. Click on the Share button in Canva, which will reveal a host of options. To find Mailchimp, select See All to explore the available integrations and services. Type Mailchimp in the search bar and proceed to connect the two accounts. If prompted, log into your Mailchimp account and make sure to authorize the connection. This step is crucial as it allows your Canva design to move seamlessly into Mailchimp. After authorization is complete, click Export. Your freshly crafted design will now be tucked safely away in Mailchimp's Content Studio. Next, it's time to shift gears and head over to Mailchimp itself. Log in at mailchimp.com using your account credentials. Once you're in, the dashboard will greet you and you'll be ready to start creating an email campaign. Click the Create button and choose the email option. With our campaign creation underway, it's decision time again as you select a template. Opt for either a custom template or a basic layout depending on your preference and needs. Now, the drag and drop editor in Mailchimp makes building your email a breeze. Add an image block where you can incorporate the Canva design. Click Browse and navigate to the Content Studio where you'll find your Canva export waiting for you. As your email starts taking shape, make sure to customize the rest of it by adding in text, buttons, and any links you might want your audience to follow. Once you're satisfied with all the elements and satisfied that your email conveys your intended message perfectly, you're ready to hit send. And there you have it, a streamlined method to combine Canva designs with Mailchimp's marketing prowess. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this integration as useful as I do for your future email campaigns. Happy marketing.